I'm Joseph from MakeBestChoice.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another review. Today we are going to review Instant Profit Stores. Now, as the name suggests, Instant Profit Stores is an e-com affiliate stores and it is loaded with 50 plus best-selling products from Walmart, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, and all this can be created. The store can be created in just 2 minutes time. What are its best features? Well, the features that I like, there are many best features, many good features in Instant Profit stores. Such as, the best I liked is that you don't have to apply for API keys. Generally, those who have worked with e-com stores, you know that for all these big affiliates or big networks like Amazon, etc., you need to have API keys. What does API key do? They help the developers to pull the products programmatically from the sites. Else there's a tedious work of uploading each product, uploading the descriptions, uploading the images, etc., etc. But API keys make it so easy. But this goes a further one step in a simple drag and drop option that will help you to create your stores with their own products. Of course, they are giving you 50 plus products in any niche you want. All the best niches are there available. You'll see it when we log in for the demo or the walkthrough. That is one of the best products. No hosting required, no domains required, no previous knowledge required. It is a simple push button solution for totally newbies, and it will start generate profits. But another very good feature is that you don't have to generate ads. Means it has got built-in traffic. In one of the upsells, it has got built-in traffic which will fetch you tons of traffic that will help your products to sell. So if that interests you, please stay on. We are going to have the demo of the product. I will be logging into the members area. It's a very, very simple, ready to use option, totally for newbies. You'll see very short demo, and after that we will jump into all the bonuses that I have. This page that you see is my bonus page, and I have fabulous bonuses, totally fit for Instant Profit stores to double your profits. And third, we are going to see the upsells, the upgrades. Some super upgrades are there, and we will see the pros and cons of the software, and finally we conclude with my conclusion. One thing I wanted to note, that if you are new to my site, then please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you may be informed. So not wasting much time, let us dive on to the demo. Well, here I am logged into the members area of the software. It is pretty simple. Here are the tutorials which you can go through before exploring the product, the add-ons that are there, that this is the dashboard, and you need to start from here. To take you through the detailed store creation and modification, I would pass you on to Victory Akpos, who is the creator of the software. He will guide you through the rest of the demo and show you how to do it. So over to Victory now.
Hey, welcome to Instant Profit Stores, your one-stop app that allows you to instantly create 100 done-for-you best-selling products. Now, you can't beat this. Imagine having a stunning and elegant e-com store looking like this, not having to create your own e-com store right from the scratch. Everything done for you and set up. In less than 2 minutes, you get all of this done, and you have tons of traffic driven onto your e-com stores. Now, this is how it goes. Once you have your account created with our Instant Profit stores, your dashboard looks like this. You'll be required to onboard into your account for the first time by clicking on Activate Your Profit Stores. So with Activate Your Profit Stores, you're required to provide your profit store name right here, and of course get your profit store subdomain set up and select from our collections of over 100 done for you products. So you could pick from any of the collections here. It could be men's clothing, it could be natural hair, it could be smartwatches, it could be skincare. So let's say we're working with skincare, so we have it right there. So we just say skincare, right, and coming to the top right here, I could say skincare, right. So once you're done, you hit on create store. So once you have your total product updated like this, you will have a total of 100 products done for you. And if you come over to your online store and hit on view store, you're certainly going to find your store looking like this. and you'll find your entire skincare product collections across Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and of course Best Buy. So whoever clicks on this will certainly get to buy from you. So how do you make money from this? All you need to do, once you have your store set up like this, you need to come over to your store back. So in your store back end, you look at for deep links. So with your deep links, you can have your AliExpress deep link, your Amazon deep links, your eBay deep links, your Walmart deep links, and Best Buy deep links. And whoever makes purchase of any skincare product from your auto-generated e-com outlet stores, you will certainly be making huge commissions from Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, Walmart, and even AliExpress. So this is how powerful Instant Profit Stores comes. It comes with already done for you best-selling product, first ever you can ever get with Instant Profit Stores. Thank you.
Well, we are back. I hope you like the demo. Let me tell you that if you like the app, if you like the software and want to purchase the software, I have given a link in the video description below. You need to click on that link, and that link would bring you to this bonus page of mine. I have some fabulous bonuses for you over here, which has been customized to go hand in hand with Instant Profit Stores to double, triple, quadruple your profits. So let me show you all the bonuses I have. My first bonus is a tutorial. This is a ClickBank tutorial, how to master ClickBank. And it would look something like this, where you have all the niche specific tutorials for email marketing, for landing pages, for make money online niche, fitness niche, and Quadrille Jones will guide you through the process of how to master ClickBank in all those niches. Why ClickBank? Because ClickBank is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms, which you can link, of course, with Instant Profit Stores. By the way, my first bonus comes at a price of $427.95. The second bonus is valued at $46.95, and it is again a bonus tutorial. It is a hack to create auto content. Now this is generally an app, a plugin you can say, which helps you to create auto content, to generate and create auto content. This will help you to create content and add it to your InstaProfit pages. My third bonus, which is worth $344.95, it is a free IG followers hack. Now this is a tutorial of how to get Instagram. IG stands for Instagram followers free, and it is a beautiful tutorial that will you must be knowing that through Instagram you can sell products. So this will help you to get followers, buyer specific followers with buying habits, which will help you to maximize your profits with Instant Profit Stores. My fourth bonus is the Access Backlink Basics Reseller Rights. It is generally an SEO tool which will help you to create backlinks. Backlinks help you to get profit, help you to gain authority, backlinks for your site, and this will gain you traffic. So this is again a traffic hack for you, which I believe will help a lot in getting buyers, active buyers to your stores. So all this is very closely knit, all these bonuses that I am offering. The fourth bonus, that is the Backlink Basics Reseller Rights, which you will get the reseller rights, comes at a price of $267. The fifth bonus is all the vendor bonuses, special vendor bonus. I'll show it to you now. It is valued at $197. And what you will get 10 apps, InstaShop, WordPress multi-commission. These are all compatible with WordPress sites. Envato Affiliate Site Creator. This is a site creator in itself. FB Viral and Marketing Social App, which will get you traffic once again. Movie Mart Movies and TV Show Affiliate Script. This is a script that will help you to get traffic. Facebook Auto Reply and Bulk Preview Message Sender features. Now this is again an app that they are giving you. WP WordPress e-commerce shop to Facebook. This I particularly liked very much because you can replicate your store right onto the Facebook, and you can imagine the billions of Facebook users who will be accessing, who will get access to your store so easily. So this is a very, very good bonus to offer. You have the WooCommerce 360-degree and video product viewer, WordPress notifier, and lastly you have advanced screen recorder and video trimmer, which I believe is very much necessary sometimes for creating video ads for your site. Apart from this, if you buy through my link, which I'll show you just after this, how to buy through my link, you will get some additional bonuses. However, just remember that these VIP bonuses are time bound. Rather, all these bonuses are time bound, and they will be available, as I have shown you, for a particular time. After that, the prices will rise, and you may not, these bonuses may not be available. So I was saying that these are VIP bonuses which you will get only if you buy through my link. Apart from those 10 bonuses, you will get VIP bonus 1, free reseller license to my best selling done for you review funnel, which is worth $497. Now these are all reseller rights. You can resell these. Second is free reseller license to the best selling Omni Blaster worth $297. Now Omni Blaster is a all-in-one marketing platform that helps convert 3 times more visitors into buyers. So this is a very good offer. The third bonus, if you buy through my link, is the free reseller license, the best done for you lead funnel. But do remember that to get these bonuses, you need to buy the software. And after you have bought with my link, you need to click on this link over here, which will take you to the support page where you have to submit a ticket, as it is shown here, where you have to submit a ticket and claim these bonuses. With your receipt, of course, you have to submit the ticket. Now, how to avail these bonuses? These great bonuses which will double, triple, or even make your profit 5 times. You need to click one of these green buttons, and when you click one of these green buttons, see the whole page there are many green buttons all over the page. So you need to click any one of these green buttons, which will take you to the sales page, which will look something like this. The sales page contains a detailed information about the software. You can go through all the information, the testimonials, the beta launch, the testing that has been done, what were the results, some income proofs are there, and you can go through the details of the software over here. It is very well explained. And you need to click one of these green buttons over here. When you click one of these green buttons, you will be taken to the purchase cart or purchase page, where you have to fill in your credit card or PayPal details. When you purchase, you will get a receipt. When you click on that receipt, you will be taken to the Warrior Plus profile, and which will look something like this. And there is a blue button underneath your receipt. When you click on the blue button, which labels Access Affiliate Bonus, you will get all these bonuses that I have shown you just now. However, in this time, if you find that you are getting stuck anywhere, you can always contact me back. I will help you out. Now, moving ahead with the prices and upsells, the front end comes at a dirt cheap price of $22. InstaProfit Stores Premium at a very cheap rate of $22. Apart from this, there are 4 upsells or OTOs. With the front end, you will get access to the powerful InstaProfit Stores premium software and training modules. The upsell, which is the Instant Profit, I'm always saying Insta, it comes like that. It's Instant Profit. Sorry for that. I always take it as it's Instant Profit Stores. Upsell number 1 is the Instant Profit Stores Unlimited, which comes at a price of $39. And you can understand it is unlimited. With the front end, you have some limitations, to the number of stores you can create. As I said earlier in my demo, that it is niche specific. The upsell number 2 is the Instant Profit Stores Unlimited traffic, which comes at a price of $69. Now this is worth it. I tell you, this will help you to get unlimited traffic. You don't have to create any ads, which are sometimes very costly and very painful to the pocket, and this will guarantee at a one-time cost free traffic, which is included. And for newbies, I believe this is the best solution. Not only for newbies, traffic is always a major issue for even mid-level marketers also. Upsell number 3 is the Instant Profit Done For You, which comes at a price of $197, and these are all done for you. They have tested this and they have done for you stores that they have made, which has been successful in the testing phase, and they have just given it to you. It is all done for you, just plug and play. And the upsell number 4 is the Instant Profit Reseller license, which gives you the right to resell the software, and of course take the profits. Now let me remind you again that all these prices are limited time offers, promotional offers, and once the launch period is over, the prices will go up drastically. This software comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, so decide now and take action. My suggestion regarding the OTOs would of course be OTO number 1, which gives you unlimited access to the stores, number of stores you can create, and some other parameters. And of course upsell number 2 also, because at $69 if you get traffic, you should take it. Remember, this come at a total 30-day money back guarantee, so you can always check the software first, check which niche works for you, and you can go for that, and then go ahead with the other upsells if the software suits you. If it does not, you always at no risk purchase, because 30 days I believe is enough time for you to check and understand whether things work for you. Added with this is my bonuses, tons of traffic I have given you. I have given you great tutorials. I've given you ClickBank. I believe that this will, if you don't want to take the traffic upsell number 2, I have given you traffic bonuses also, which are my bonuses, which are totally free, especially the traffic bonus. Let me show to you the IG followers. This is the traffic bonus. The backlink, this is the SEO, which will get you traffic. So these two are the two great traffic bonuses which I have given you as a hack. So you can also forgo upsell number 2 in that case. So I believe that makes it clear. If things work for you, then go for upsell number 2 and check it out. But it's always better to check things out during the 30-day money back period. After that, you may not have that option, and prices may also rise. Going ahead with the pros and cons of the software, according to me, all the pros that are listed on your totally friendly for newbies. It creates a store in just 2 minutes and ready to market. It's a push button solution, and it gives you 50 top selling products right onto your stores at the click of a button. No training required, no experience required, no tech knowledge required, and main 2 things which I told you, that you don't need traffic because traffic is built in, plus with my bonus it is double built in. And the second one, which I find it very useful, is that you don't need the API keys. Sometimes some networks, affiliate networks, do take some time and they keep rejecting the request for API keys, so it can be harassing. So this gives you that option of totally automating the process, and sometimes just drag and drop also. So these 2 options I like very much. Regarding the cons, I would like to say that according to me, some niches are not there. It is a limited number of niches are limited, number of store options are limited. You must have to take care of that when you log in, when you check that your particular niche that you're working on is there or not. Apart from this, another con is that I felt that there is nothing much in it for experienced marketers, because if you are bound to a number of niches, if you are bound to a number of products which are pre-populated, you don't have the freedom to import your own niche, then I believe that's a limitation for experienced marketers. But for newbies, it's total worth it. And with the 30-day money back guarantee, it is no brainer and totally risk free. Apart from this, I did not find any significant con in the software. It is a push button solution. Regarding the conclusion, I would like to say that newbies and also those marketing struggling with making some money should try out this software, which comes at a very cheap price. Even the front end with all my bonuses, you can add, get traffic and get going, get some confidence built in. Check the software for 30 days. If things work for you, go ahead for the upsells, especially upsell number 1 and 2 is very important, and then take your decision. Well, that's it for today. Before going, I would like to say that if you like this software and want to get all the bonuses that I said, and you want to purchase the software, click on the link given in the video description below. That will bring you to my bonuses page, and you need to click one of these green buttons that are there, which will take you to the purchase page, which will take you to the sales page. From there you need to click another green button which I showed you already. It will take you to the purchase page. You need to do the purchase, make the purchase, and from there you log on to your Warrior Plus receipt, and then you access the bonuses. I've given a diagrammatic representation of that. I hope that picture is clear to you. If you do like this review and it has added value, please don't forget to like, share, comment. Your feedback is very important for us. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you may be well informed. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like my review. Take care, be safe, and ciao.